up? Welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be checking out the ColourPop Nude Mood collection. I'm really excited to show this to you guys. It's actually my first ColourPop purchase and I absolutely love this stuff so much that I already ordered a whole bunch of more stuff. So I will be doing a video on that stuff. It's supposed to be here in a couple of days, so I'm really excited. So the Nude Mood collection has a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, a 2-pack lip crayon bundle, and a highlighter. So I'm gonna I put everything like back in the original packaging just so you guys could see how it comes, because I thought the packaging was really cute. So I'm gonna show you guys all that, and we're gonna do a quick look with the eyeshadow. And yeah, so if you guys want to check that out, keep on watching. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. So this is how it comes. It says Fragile on it, which I really loved. So as soon as I opened this, I immediately got excited because look how cute that is. Like, I thought that was adorable. I absolutely loved the little flowers and the little ColourPop thing. Like I said, it was my first purchase, so like this was new. I was super excited about it. And on top was this little card. It's hard to see with my lighting. I'm sorry, I'm trying to work on the lighting. But on the back was this, and it just said, "You light up my world." So here are the 3 items. Now I will say for the record, each one of these items were individually wrapped in their own bubble wrap sleeve. So I was really impressed that everything came, you know, really well protected during shipping. You know, nothing was broken. Everything was really securely packaged. And again, the packaging is so cute. I love the little box. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to check out is the highlighter. And this is the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in the color The Real Thing, and that's the packaging. Sorry, my lighting sucks right now, I know. Okay, so that's the little unicorn it came in. And this is it. It is so cute. It's huge. I love the little compact that it comes in. It's just super cute, and it comes with this awesome mirror. The mirror is so great. Like, it's huge. I'll probably use it to do my makeup with, I think. But this is it. This is the highlighter. It's so nice. Like, it's huge pan. I love it. Honestly, it feels like velvet. It's so like buttery, velvety, soft. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to swatch a little bit on my hand so you can see, or my wrist. I don't know if it's going to come up on camera, but that's it right there. It does have a little like gold hue to it a little bit, which I normally stray away from because, you know, I'm so fair skinned that I typically don't use like the gold highlighters, but I do actually really like this. So I'm just going to go right in with a tapered brush. I'm gonna, you know, swirl around on there and use that. Now, like, bam, already, like, I barely went in, and I can see why they call it a Super Shock highlighter, because that is awesome. I actually don't have, like, I'm only like fairly new into using highlighter, to be honest with you. I never was really a big highlighter person, but I've actually just grown to love it. And I love that. Like, you guys can see, I really didn't have to do much to it. It's pretty blinding. So I like to go, you know, right here with it. I like to go on my nose and a little bit on my lip. So that's that. Again, super cute. It's in the color The Real Thing. I got this whole collection for $38, but I think it was during like a sale, so I don't know like how much it is right now, but again, it's everything with ColourPop is like super affordable. Okay, so the next item that I got is called Can't Barrett, and it is just a tint lip crayon bundle, and this is super cute. Like, I loved the packaging. Everything was very like, you know, nude and relaxing, calm, casual. I just loved the little packaging. Okay, so there were 2 colors in here, and they are very similar. You can see the difference in them. They are pretty similar but different. So one of them is called Overexposed, and that's this shade right here. The next one is called More Than Ever, and that's the shade. This one's a little bit darker. I will swatch them both on my wrist really quick so you guys can see. I think I'm gonna go in with the Overexposed, the lighter tone. Okay, so look at that. That one is Overexposed, and the one underneath it is More Than Ever. And they're actually really cute. Like, I like them. It is very moisturizing. It's not like too drying or anything, and it's just like when you're just trying to be casual with it, like it's the perfect little lip crayon. I actually think it's like a game changer for me because I typically don't use these things, but I actually really like this one. So I'm just gonna apply that. And voila, that's it. Look at it. It is really cute. I actually really like it. It is what it says, just a tint. It's not a matte or anything, but I do really love that. So like going into the box so far, like I love the highlighter. It is super blinding. I am going to take like a fluffy brush and maybe just kind of tone that down just a little bit. That was a little much, but I mean, you barely need any of it. I absolutely love that highlighter and the little lip crayon. It's super cute. Okay, so last but not least, the Nude Mood palette. This is the packaging. There are 9 shades, and this does not have a mirror. I know some of the ColourPop stuff doesn't have a mirror, which I wasn't super mad about because the highlighter had a really good mirror on it. But this is it. Those are the 9 shades. They are so nice. I absolutely love them. They are perfect for everyday wear. You can, you know, use these glitter ones and step it up for, you know, an evening wear or going out. I mean, a wedding. You could literally do anything with these. Now, a lot of people say this gives them like, you know, the Going Coconuts collection vibes, but I did hear that a lot of the colors are different. It is just so cute. Like some of the shade names. This one is Bluffing. This is actually a Super Shock eyeshadow I had read, and that one's called Wink Wink. I really like that one. Put It On Airs, Mugged Off, Moody, the Cocoa. But let's go ahead and swatch just a couple of them. I'm not going to do all of them because I do want to jump in and do a look for you guys. So I went in with Wink Wink, Put It On Airs, and Moody. So wow, they do swatch really nice. They're so pretty, and I'm making a mess of it, but hey, you can see it there. I actually really like this palette. It is so cute. So we're actually just going to go right in and start doing a look. So I'm going to take just a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Bare to Wear. And I'm going to grab a little mirror if I can find where I put it. And this is a really good transition shade. I really like this shade for that. And honestly, everything really does seem very pigmented. Goes on really nice. I don't have to spend a lot of time blending. I really love everything from ColourPop so far. Like, if you guys want to hit the notification bell, you'll get notified of my next upload, which is going to be some more ColourPop stuff that I had ordered recently after trying these products. I was like, I gotta try out some more stuff. So I actually got their mascara, I got a face powder, I got some fake eyelashes, and a liquid lipstick. And a bronzer, I think. I'm not sure. But I'm excited about that stuff too. But look, so far, like, it is the perfect nude transition shade. It's not too much. It's just enough, I feel like, to just lay some color down. But I mean, like I said, you can go as natural or as heavy with this as you want. Like, because of those darker colors, I feel like you can kind of be pretty versatile with it and do pretty much whatever you want. Like, it can really, you can just do a lot with it. So I'm going to keep it kind of simple today. I'm going to go in with the Lap of Luxe down here, which is kind of a chrome metallic kind of eyeshadow. And it's like a bronzy color. But I'm going to go in with that and put that towards the, like, outer half of my lid and about halfway down my lid. Yep, it's definitely like a bronzy color, which I really like it. It's really pretty, and it's dark. It's a little shimmery. And that's what I love about this palette, is that, like, I didn't have, believe it or not, which is surprising, I know, just like a nude palette. I didn't have a palette that I could grab just one palette and not have to use a bunch of different palettes to create just a nude look. So I'm really happy that I have just this one go-to one right here, and I mean, look at that. The colors blend so well that it's just amazing. Like, I can't get over how well everything is for only, like, I think the palette on its own was like $12, $14. I know it's not much more than that. If I'm wrong, like, I'm not sure that I'm 100% on that price, but I know that it's affordable, which is amazing about their company. Like, how can they put out such great products for that price? You know, like, it's just amazing, and I love it. They just released a Valentine's Day collection too that looked really awesome. Like, I saw that and I was like, I can't order it. I really don't need it. So I didn't order that collection, but I wanted to. So I'm just kind of like, you know, buffing that out, trying to make it look seamless. I don't want to, you know, have any harsh lines or anything. I will go through and clean up, like, you know, the edges and stuff. So I'm going to take, I have this little, like, tiny little crease brush somewhere if I can find it. Sorry, my vanity apparently is a mess right now. I thought I had everything together, but I guess I didn't. Okay, so I'm using like this little crease brush, and I'm gonna go in, it's a little, I made it a little messy. I'm gonna go in with that Moody shade down here, which is the darker one, and I'm gonna use that on the lower lash line just to kind of bring everything together, make it look seamless. I did already put some mascara on. I'll probably put another coat on afterward, but I just honestly wanted to show you guys how awesome this ColourPop makeup was, because for the price you really can't go wrong. So I'm going to go in with that Bare to Wear, which was this lighter color right here, and I'm just using that to like blend in the bottom just to make it not look as harsh. And everything really blends so nicely. I can't get over it. So then I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to go into that Super Shock shadow. That is such a tongue twister. Like, I'm trying to work on my words, and this they have this for some reason. Super Shock shadow in this shade Wink Wink, and I'm going to go in with this dry first. I have noticed that actually even dry, the payoff is actually really good, so I don't think I'm going to have to wet it today, but I'm going to put that like in the inner part of my eyelid. And I mean, just look at that. It is so amazing. I absolutely love it. You can just kind of use that to like sculpt out the inner part just a little bit, you know, not like a full-on like cut crease, but you can use it enough to do that and kind of blend it in with the other color on your eyelid. But yeah, I absolutely am loving ColourPop and this eyeshadow palette so far. I actually was going to order the Going Coconuts one. That was the one that I actually was going to order, and then I seen this collection come out, and they had like a 25% off sale, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a whole collection. I want to see what this is all about. And that's what I did. But yes, I just love it, and I mean, this can just be an everyday classic, go to work, you know, go out, any kind of look. Like, you can do anything with this palette, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just cleaning up like that edge right there a little bit with my brush. And voila. So I'm going to put it on like a little, my nails keep stabbing my palette. I just hurt my palette right there. Okay, so I am going to use some mascara if I can find it. I'll use this one. So I'm just going to use this Milani mascara really quick just to kind of bring everything together. I'm not going to use any eyeliner. I don't always wear eyeliner, especially when I'm trying to do just like a neutral classic look. I try to skip the eyeliner because I feel eyeliner sometimes on me looks more like going out, like, you know. So when I'm trying to keep it just classy, no eyeliner and no fake lashes either. Oh, I got a little bit of mascara on. So I am gonna actually really quick take that highlighter palette, not highlighter palette, but the highlighter, and I'm gonna use a small brush and highlight the inner corners of my eye with the highlight. just because it gives it such a nice pop. I absolutely love this highlighter, and I'm going to do underneath the brow bone with it. We're just going to glow all over the place today. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I absolutely love the eyeshadow look. Like, I love the nude colors. I love how easy everything was to blend. Like, it just looks great. And I'm excited for more ColourPop products. I'm excited to check out new palettes they're going to release this year. I'm excited to check out the stuff that I got that's coming in a couple of days. But yeah, so I got the highlighter, which is in the shade The Real Thing. So pretty, loved it. You can really see how I'm glowing. I got the Nude Mood palette, which is amazing. I really suggest that you guys go out and get one of their 9-pan eyeshadow palettes because they are really awesome. Like, I have heard so many people rant and rave about it, and I finally got one, and I gotta tell you, I can see why. And then I also got the 2 lip crayons. I absolutely love them too. I am wearing the shade Overexposed. It's just super, you know, nude, everyday, pop it on, get out the door. It's amazing, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing of the ColourPop Nude Mood collection, and the little look that I did. I mean, you guys saw it literally took me like 5 minutes to get that look done, and it looks great, and it looks, you know, high-end. It doesn't look cheap or anything, but it is super affordable. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.